All right. My name is Bukun Soji Taiwo. Omo Banke. I really thank God for everything. For my another year, I really thank God. And at the same time, I really thanks everybody, to my people, my fans. I really appreciate you guys. May God bless you. May God be with you. Today, I can't say much because what I need to say, I thank God for everything. Today is my birthday. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And at the same time, Bua TV, I really appreciate you guys. May God bless you. All right, now to all my people, my fans, all the mommy in the building, just turn your TV, turn it to Bua TV. Progress Bua in your house, joy Bua in your house. Everything Bua blessing in your house. May God bless you. May God be with you. I love you all. Thank you.
Make I drink petrol now.
I want drink petrol.
I don't care. We don't walk. Go where? Go this thing. They don't want to subscribe. They don't want like.
No. I
want
to beg them. Wait.
Beg them. I go drink up.
You want drink petrol? I beg. Not gonna let that give me I beg. I beg when I like now. I beg.
Tell them in businessbar.com for entertainment. Nigeria entertainment. If they don't subscribe, I go drink.
And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, you click on the bell also. This will notify you once we drop a new video. If we can get up to 1,000 likes and you also subscribe to our channel, this will encourage us more to keep going to shows and uploading videos from your favorite celebrity.